For example, I'm having a 2 to 3 reports. By using dashboard, whichever visual I want, I can pin them from the report to the dashboard. It will be from one report also. It will be from multiple reports also. It's a tile format. It is not interactive. It cannot be interactive. So it's a tile format. We can visual the reports based on the requirement. In a report, I'm having 5 to 6 visual there. I want to pin the selected tables, selected visual. I can pin them in the form of tile. It's called as a dashboard. But in that, the thing is that we cannot pin the slicers to the dashboard because it's not interactive.
Okay, all right. So how many pages can I build in the dashboard?
In dashboard, you are right. We can say 1 page.
Okay. Okay. So what is this Microsoft Fabric?
Yeah. Microsoft Fabric is a cloud platform. Recently, they are upgrading so much of technologies. For example, we can like unified platform. We can create reports. We can do data modeling. We can create the Medallion architecture. We can do the data transformations by using data flows. It's a unified platform for data integration purpose. It is used one under the umbrella, we can say.
What is the data flows in Fabric?
Data flows in Fabric is a online Power Query. For example, in Power BI, what we are having in Power Query, the same we can find in Fabric. It's online Power Query. We can do the data transformations in Fabric itself. Yeah.
Okay. So how did you yourself getting the updates for Power BI? So how would you know the Power BI updates?
So every month Power BI is updating their latest updates. So by using the blogs and documentation, I will get to know that latest updates what they are releasing each every month. I think they release around the third week or something they are releasing every month. I'm aware of the some of the latest updates also.
Okay. What was the latest updates?
So recently they updated like one lake we can able to edit those semantic model in one lake and Copilot support in mobile apps. And one more I can say that some TMDL view they recently released in latest updates. And some I can say some one of the use cases we can do the live semantic model editing option will be there.
Okay. So do you prefer individual role or do you prefer to work with team?
Yeah, I can prefer both. If I get a chance, I can prefer to work in individual, but I will mostly prefer to work with the team. So collaborating with the team will improve our knowledge sharing and increase our skills. Yeah, I first prefer to team role, and if I get a chance to individual roles, I can take the accountability. I can perform well.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay, Ishwaran. Thank you so much for your time. So do you have any questions for me?
Yeah, I want to sum up the questions. So I was come to know that they were doing is so much of considering so much of projects and use case. So I can say which domain this opening will be there and which type of role I can expect if in your current organization.
Yeah, actually, in my organization, there were a lot of projects going on. So if you get a chance, you have to work on retail domain. So you
Okay.
have to handle client individually. There is no person. You have to get the requirements from the client. According to the requirements, you have to contact with the data engineers, getting the data and reporting the data, performing the unit testing, data validation. That is entirely you have to do your own responsibility. This is a individual contributor role. You have to perform your role individually.
Okay. Also that can I get any upskilling opportunity in your organization like cloud related technologies? Is it any chance like generative AI is evolving? Get a chance for upskilling for ongoing project and I can learn those concepts also that will be useful for this current organization perspective also.
Yeah, you will get. We have a dedicated LMS platform, and apart of that, we will give you some trainings also regarding whatever the emerging technologies like Gen AI and machine learning. If you want to interested, you can register for that and you can learn that.
Okay.